Hello everybody. Today we will discuss such terms like simple substances and chemical compounds and pure substances and mixtures. So let's start with simple substances and chemical compounds. First of all, let's understand the difference between a simple substance and a chemical compound. A simple substance is such a substance that is composed of the atoms of the same chemical element. Like let's take the example that we can see in the picture. For example, let's take hydrogen. It is composed of two hydrogen atoms. So two atoms, but the same element. This means that this is a simple substance. Also, it can be monoatomic, like just let's say lithium. Or let's say, for example, sodium. But it can also be polyatomic. So it consists of several atoms like S8P4. But the main thing is that all the atoms belong to the same element. If we are talking about chemical compound, it will be opposite. A chemical compound will be composed of the atoms of different chemical elements. Water, for example, it consists of oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms. We see that this molecule consists of atoms of different elements. So this is a molecule of a chemical compound. You should remember that you must never confuse a simple substance and a pure substance, a chemical compound and a mixture. Because very often students make this mistake, they get confused on that. For this reason, we have to understand the difference. So, simple substances and chemical compounds are always pure substances. Mixture is such a matter which consists of two or more pure substances. Let's see a picture for making it more clear. We see 4 containers. In the first container we have atoms. In the second container we have molecules. But both of them are simple substances. So in the first container we have atoms of a simple substance. In the second container we have molecules of a simple substance. Because in the second one we have molecules which consist of the same types of atoms. So they will be simple substances. In the third container we see molecules also, but this time molecules consist of the atoms of different elements. They are not the same elements. In this case we can say that this is a chemical compound. But all of the first 3 containers contain a pure substance. But in the container 4 we have a mixture. Let's see. We see that it's a mixture. Why? Because there are different molecules, different atoms, not the same. We see that the container 4 is a mixture of the first 3 containers. Here we can see a definition of a pure substance. If we are talking about mixtures, as we said before, mixtures are combinations of 2 or more pure substances in variable proportions. Each of them has their own properties, physical property. Like we see here, we have different molecules, different atoms, which all are mixed together, but they are not chemically bonded. And for better understanding, let's take several examples. Look, here you see atom. We have only one atom, the first one. After that, in the second line, we have 3 molecules. If several equal molecules come together, they form a chemical compound. If we take, for example, this, let's say the red molecule, yes? This is a molecule which consists of the atoms of the same element. If several such molecules come together, they will form a simple substance. And it will mix different, absolutely different molecules all together. Like imagine you have one container in which there are different molecules. That will be a mixture. So, hope that's clear. And now let's do some practice. Look at these pictures. So this is exercise 1. We have 3 pictures, A, B, C. And define which of them are pure substances, which of them are mixtures. And if pure substances, you should say if they are compounds or simple substances, okay? And you can write them in comments. So I will answer if that's right or no. Exercise 2, you see the same thing. A, B, C, D. You also have to find which of them are pure substances. And if they are pure substances, you should say if these are compounds or simple substances. And which of them are mixtures. So these are 2 exercises for practice. Do it yourself and see you in our next video. Bye.